Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find recently added contacts on iPhone. Your contact application won't help you to solve this problem or find most recently added contacts on your iPhone. So close this application. The app that can help you in this case that is Shortcuts. This is the application that we are going to use to find the most recently added numbers, the contacts on our iPhone. Now if you can find it, then you can search for it, and if you say that this is not available in your iPhone, then you can simply download from your app store. Now after that, you just simply click on Shortcuts, and from here you will find the plus icon at the top right corner. Now from here, search for action like contact. You have to search for contact, and from here you will find the contacts and also contact, and from here among those all these options simply click on find contacts, and from here you just need to make sure that find all contacts is prompted on the first row. Now you have to select the sort by. You have to sort by the creation date from here. Now it will sort all the list according to the creation, and now you have to select the order, not oldest first. We are going to select latest first, just because we are going to find recently added contacts, not the oldest contact that we have added to our iPhone. After that, we have to search for action. Here you will find a search tab. Now simply select search for results, and you will find show result. Simply click on it, and here it is now added, now connected with this both shortcut, and it will now run properly. Simply run this shortcut. You will just need to click on this play button. Now here you will find all the details about the contact that you have added to your iPhone recently. Also you can set limit. If you toggle this on, then you can set limit. If you want to get most recent 10 contact on your iPhone, then you have to click on this plus icon here to increase the number of your contacts that you want to find that you have added recently on your iPhone. And if you decrease it, then simply click on minus button here. Then if you just need to simply click on this play button at the bottom right corner, and you will find the contact, these 3 contacts that I have added recently on my iPhone. That's how you can find recently added contacts on iPhone. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.